Welcome. Today we're diving into a key concept in warehouse management software, SSO, or single sign-on. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by juggling multiple passwords for different systems, SSO is here to make your life easier. In the context of warehouse management, SSO streamlines access, boosts security, and enhances productivity. But what exactly is SSO, and why is it so important for modern warehouses? Let's start by understanding the basics and see how it fits into the bigger picture of warehouse operations. SSO stands for Single Sign-On. It's a user authentication process that allows a person to access multiple applications with just one set of login credentials. Imagine logging into your warehouse management system and instantly gaining access to inventory, shipping, and reporting tools without entering your username and password again and again. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of password fatigue and related security issues. SSO is a game changer for busy warehouse teams who need quick, secure access to various digital tools. In a warehouse environment, efficiency and security are paramount. SSO addresses both by simplifying the login process and minimizing the number of passwords employees need to remember. This reduces the likelihood of password-related errors, such as forgotten credentials or weak passwords. With SSO, IT teams can better manage user access, ensuring that only authorized personnel can reach sensitive data or critical functions. Ultimately, SSO helps warehouses operate more smoothly and securely. Let's break down how SSO functions in warehouse management software. When a user logs in through SSO, the system authenticates their identity using a central authentication server. Once verified, the user receives access tokens that allow them to move seamlessly between different applications, like inventory, order processing, and analytics, without having to log in again. This centralized approach not only streamlines access, but also makes it easier for administrators to manage permissions and monitor activity. Traditional login systems require users to remember separate usernames and passwords for each application. This can lead to confusion, weak passwords, and frequent password resets. In contrast, SSO allows users to access all necessary warehouse management tools with a single login. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of security breaches caused by password reuse or sharing. The difference is clear. SSO offers a smarter, safer way to manage access. Warehouse staff often need to switch between different software modules throughout their shift. With SSO, they can do this effortlessly, without the hassle of logging in multiple times. This means less downtime and more focus on core tasks like inventory management, order fulfillment, and shipping. SSO also reduces frustration, making it easier for employees to adopt new digital tools and workflows. The result is a happier, more productive team. Security is a top concern in any warehouse. SSO enhances security by centralizing authentication and reducing the number of passwords in circulation. IT administrators can enforce strong password policies and multi-factor authentication more easily. If an employee leaves, their access can be revoked from all systems at once, minimizing the risk of unauthorized entry. SSO also provides better visibility into who is accessing what, making it easier to detect suspicious activity. Managing user accounts and passwords can be a major burden for IT teams. SSO simplifies this by consolidating user management into a single system. IT staff spend less time resetting passwords and more time focusing on strategic projects. This also reduces the risk of errors, such as accidentally leaving old accounts active. With SSO, onboarding and offboarding, employees becomes faster and more secure. A smooth user experience is crucial for warehouse efficiency. SSO eliminates the need for multiple logins, reducing friction and frustration for staff. Employees can move quickly between tasks and applications, which is especially important in fast-paced warehouse environments. This seamless experience encourages the adoption of digital tools and helps teams stay agile and responsive to changing demands. With SSO, access control is centralized. Administrators can easily assign or revoke permissions from a single dashboard. This is especially useful in warehouses with high staff turnover or seasonal workers. Centralized control ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive systems, reducing the risk of data breaches and compliance issues. SSO systems often support multi-factor authentication, MFA, adding an extra layer of security. With MFA, users must provide additional verification, such as a code sent to their phone, before gaining access. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to break in, even if they obtain a password. For warehouses handling valuable goods or sensitive data, MFA is a critical security feature. Many warehouses must comply with industry regulations regarding data security and access control. SSO helps meet these requirements by providing detailed logs of user activity and simplifying audits. Administrators can quickly demonstrate who accessed what and when, making compliance reporting much easier. This reduces the risk of fines or penalties due to non-compliance. Modern warehouses use a variety of software tools, from inventory management to shipping and analytics. SSO enables seamless integration across these systems, allowing users to move between them without repeated logins. This unified approach streamlines workflows and ensures that data flows smoothly between applications, supporting better decision-making and operational efficiency. Password fatigue is a real issue in busy environments like warehouses. Employees often struggle to remember multiple passwords, leading to risky behaviors like writing them down or using simple, easy-to-guess passwords. SSO eliminates this problem by requiring only one strong password, reducing the temptation to take shortcuts and improving overall security. When new employees join the warehouse team, getting them up and running quickly is essential. SSO speeds up the onboarding process by allowing administrators to grant access to all necessary systems with a single action. New hires can start working right away without waiting for multiple accounts to be created or passwords to be set up. Just as onboarding is streamlined, offboarding is also simplified with SSO. When an employee leaves, administrators can revoke access to all systems at once. This reduces the risk of former employees retaining access to sensitive information and helps maintain security across the warehouse's digital infrastructure. Many warehouse employees use mobile devices to manage inventory, track shipments, or communicate with team members. SSO extends to mobile apps, allowing users to log in once and access all necessary tools from their smartphones or tablets. This flexibility supports productivity on the go and ensures secure access no matter where employees are working. Human error is a common cause of security breaches and operational disruptions. By reducing the number of passwords and logins, SSO minimizes the chances of mistakes, such as entering the wrong credentials or sharing passwords. This leads to a more secure and reliable warehouse environment, where staff can focus on their tasks without unnecessary interruptions. With the rise of remote work, especially for warehouse managers and IT staff, secure remote access is more important than ever. SSO enables authorized users to log in securely from any location, ensuring that critical operations can continue even when staff are working off-site. This flexibility is vital for business continuity and disaster recovery planning. Many warehouse management systems are now cloud-based, offering greater scalability and accessibility. SSO integrates seamlessly with cloud solutions, allowing users to access cloud applications with the same credentials they use for on-premises systems. This unified approach simplifies IT management and ensures consistent security policies across all platforms. Warehouses often rely on third-party applications for tasks like shipping, analytics, or customer communication. SSO can be configured to work with these external tools, providing a seamless experience for users. This reduces the need for separate logins and ensures that security policies are enforced consistently, even outside the core warehouse management system. SSO systems provide detailed audit trails, recording who accessed which systems and when. This level of monitoring is essential for security and compliance. Administrators can quickly identify unusual activity, investigate incidents, and ensure that only authorized users are accessing sensitive data. Audit trails also support internal reviews and external audits. By centralizing authentication and reducing the number of passwords in use, SSO significantly lowers the risk of security breaches. Attackers have fewer opportunities to exploit weak or reused passwords. In the event of a security incident, administrators can act quickly to lock down access and prevent further damage, protecting the warehouse's assets and reputation. SSO makes life easier for administrators by providing a single interface for managing user access. Permissions can be updated in real time, and changes are reflected across all connected systems. This reduces administrative overhead and ensures that access controls are always up to date, supporting both security and operational efficiency. As warehouses grow and add new systems or applications, SSO scales easily. New tools can be integrated into the SSO framework, ensuring that users continue to enjoy seamless access. This flexibility supports business growth and allows warehouses to adopt new technologies without disrupting workflows or compromising security. Implementing SSO can lead to significant cost savings for warehouses. By reducing the time spent on password resets, account management, and security incidents, organizations can lower their IT support costs. Additionally, improved security reduces the risk of costly data breaches or compliance violations, protecting the bottom line. There are several well-known SSO providers that integrate with warehouse management software. Examples include Microsoft Azure, Active Directory, Okta, and Google Workspace. These platforms offer robust security features and are widely supported, making them a popular choice for warehouses seeking to implement SSO. Implementing SSO in a warehouse management system involves integrating the SSO provider with all relevant applications. IT teams must configure authentication settings, set up user roles, and test the system to ensure seamless access. Training staff on how to use SSO is also important for a smooth transition and maximum benefit. While SSO offers many benefits, there can be challenges during implementation. Compatibility issues with legacy systems, user resistance to change, and the need for ongoing maintenance are common hurdles. However, with careful planning and support from experienced IT professionals, these challenges can be overcome, ensuring a successful SSO rollout. Training is essential for a smooth SSO implementation. Employees should understand how to use the new login process, recognize security prompts, and know what to do if they encounter issues. Providing clear instructions and support helps ensure that everyone can take full advantage of SSO's benefits. After SSO is implemented, ongoing maintenance is necessary to keep the system secure and up to date. This includes monitoring for security vulnerabilities, updating software, and reviewing user access regularly. Proactive maintenance ensures that SSO continues to deliver its benefits without introducing new risks. Gathering feedback from warehouse staff is important to ensure that SSO is meeting their needs. Regular check-ins and surveys can help identify any issues or areas for improvement. Listening to users helps IT teams make adjustments and ensures that the SSO system continues to support warehouse operations effectively. Warehouses are dynamic environments, and technology needs can change rapidly. SSO provides the flexibility to adapt to new requirements, such as adding new applications or adjusting access controls. This adaptability ensures that the warehouse remains efficient and secure, even as operations evolve. Let's look at a real-world example. A large distribution center implemented SSO across its warehouse management systems. The result? Faster onboarding, fewer password-related issues, and improved security. Employees reported higher satisfaction, and IT staff saw a significant drop in support requests. This case highlights the tangible benefits SSO can bring to warehouse operations. As technology advances, SSO will continue to evolve. Future developments may include biometric authentication, AI-driven security monitoring, and deeper integration with IoT devices in the warehouse. Staying ahead of these trends will help warehouses maintain a competitive edge and ensure ongoing security and efficiency. User privacy is an important consideration with SSO. By centralizing authentication, organizations must ensure that personal data is protected and only used for legitimate purposes. Implementing strong privacy policies and transparent practices helps build trust with employees and supports compliance with data protection regulations. Some people worry that SSO is less secure because it creates a single point of access. However, when implemented correctly with strong authentication and monitoring, SSO actually enhances security. It's important to dispel these misconceptions and educate users about the real benefits and safeguards of SSO. Selecting the right SSO solution depends on your warehouse's needs, existing systems, and security requirements. Consider factors like compatibility, scalability, support, and cost. Consulting with IT experts and evaluating different providers will help you make an informed decision that supports your operational goals. Digital transformation is reshaping warehouses, and SSO is a key enabler. By simplifying access and supporting integration, SSO helps organizations adopt new technologies and workflows more easily. This accelerates innovation and positions warehouses for long-term success in a rapidly changing industry. SSO isn't just for large organizations. Small and medium-sized warehouses can also benefit from simplified access, improved security, and reduced IT workload. Many SSO solutions are affordable and scalable, making them accessible to businesses of all sizes. SSO systems allow administrators to define user roles and permissions, ensuring that employees only access the systems and data relevant to their job. This principle of least privilege enhances security and supports compliance, while also making it easier to manage access as roles change. In the event of a disaster, such as a cyber attack or system failure, SSO can help warehouses recover quickly. Centralized access control makes it easier to restore systems, reset credentials, and ensure that only authorized users regain access. This supports business continuity and minimizes downtime. Automation is transforming warehouse operations from inventory tracking to order fulfillment. SSO supports automation by providing secure, seamless access to integrated systems. This enables automated workflows to run smoothly. with minimal manual intervention and reduced risk of errors. SSO is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining security and efficiency. Regularly reviewing access controls, updating software, and staying informed about new threats ensures that the SSO system remains effective and aligned with warehouse needs. To sum up, SSO Single Sign-On is a powerful tool for warehouse management software. It simplifies access, enhances security, and supports efficient operations. Whether you're managing a small warehouse or a large distribution center, SSO can help your team work smarter and safer. By understanding and leveraging SSO, warehouses can stay ahead in a competitive, technology-driven world.